Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a car, pretty much any car, guys, that the front door, when you open it, guys, it closes on its own. Okay, it doesn't stay open. You know how a door is supposed to stay open, and you have I think 3 different positions on most of the doors. Okay, one is right here, and the door then stays open, guys. It doesn't close on its own. Then you have a second position and third position. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to explain, okay, what can cause your door actually to close on its own, which is super inconvenient because getting out of the car you always hit the door. And that could happen, guys, on older vehicles with higher mileage usually, or the one that you open and close the door all the time. It's something super simple, but most people don't even think about it. So stay with us, we're going to explain that. Quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission here, guys, at the shop is to help you guys as much as we can and save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. If you need tools or parts, guys, any parts for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we purchase everything from. Now let me show you guys, okay, what causes your door not to stay open on its own. Pretty simple. However, in order to replace that part, in most cases you need to remove your door panel, and we will explain why. We have the door panel removed right here now. This device right here, guys, okay, this is the device that actually keeps your door and prevents it from opening and closing. That's how it is on probably 90% of the vehicles. There is another design that German vehicles use as well, Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, guys. It's part of the hinge system, but 9 out of 10 cars will be that way. You will have that device. And when we start closing the door just a little bit, let me explain to you, okay, it stops right there. You can see, I try to move the door and it just stays. If you go more, there is another position. So this is the device that prevents the door from closing on its own. But how you guys replace that thing? Okay, not very complicated at all. You need to remove that bolt right here. You have one bolt, and then, guys, most of the times you have, okay, like this one, it's hard for me to show you without removing the door, but you have, okay, 2 nuts or bolts that you need to remove right here. And once we do all that, okay, you're going to remove your door panel, insulation as well, and you reach through here, okay, and you pull it out, guys. In very rare cases, those bolts or nuts may be on the inside, so you may need to remove that insulation and get them loose from the inside. But once you guys remove it, replace it with a new one, you should be ready to go. So not very complicated at all. If you guys have any questions or anything that you need help with, drop a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem. In addition, guys, we'll have the link where you can purchase all the parts from for a really good price. Check it out and fast shipping. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.